Hello, I'm Andy Heller, and I'd like to tell you why it's important to spend a full day with me on April 20th in Tampa REIA. Well, imagine it was 06 and 07, and you had somebody came from the future and said, guess what's going to happen in 08? The market's going to reset, and if you do A, B, C, and D, you'll be in a position to clean up. Every one of you would have done that. Well, I'm not coming from the future. But what's interesting is right now, today, we are seeing the same signs that we saw in 06 and 07, suggesting that a real estate sale is about to happen. Well, when these real estate resets occur, we see a 1, 2, or 3 year period where you can buy properties at crazy discounts. And most of the deals out there are bank-owned properties, also known as REOs. I'm going to show you how to get them before they pop up on MLS, before 99% of other investors know they even exist. And once purchased, I'm going to show you how to wholesale them, how to flip them, and how, if you can't do either of these two things, to roll them into what we call a rent smart lease option. Don't miss April 20th. And one final nugget, I grew up in Tampa Bay. So while I'm a national speaker and I travel all over the country, I know your home market inside out, which will make Saturday, April 20th, maybe the most important day you've ever had as a real estate investor. See you soon.